everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back once again, and of course you guys know I've been MIA once again, but I do apologize, but I'm back. Okay, I'm back. I'm slowly getting back into YouTube, so been in a little funk here and there the last few months, so work with me. I'm glad y'all are being real patient with me, but I do owe it to you guys, and for that reason, it's August, which a lot of you know it's my birthday month. My birthday is on the 29th, so I'll be 29 years old this year. So I had came up with an idea to basically upload every day this month, kind of do like a 28 days of Lindsay, upload every day up until my birthday, but you guys are seeing this video, and well, it's August 2nd. So I didn't get a video out for you guys yesterday, but that is okay. What I'm going to do is I'm really going to try my best to upload every day. If I miss a day, I will probably provide you guys with 2 uploads in one day. It kind of depends, but I'm really going to try my best to upload every day up until my birthday. Like I said, I owe it to you guys. I've been disappearing here and there, and I do apologize for that, but I'm slowly getting out of my little funk, slowly getting back into makeup, slowly getting back into hair, slowly getting back into filming. So I do appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me. Okay, but enough about that, enough rambling. Here's the look that I created. It's kind of a purple brown kind of look going on. Have no idea what to call it. I just freestyled it. I don't know, but it came out cute, so here is the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you do. If you have any suggestions as far as uploads for this month, let me know down below. More so makeup related, because I do still have these passion twists in my hair. So it's not really a whole bunch of videos that I can do with these, but I did promise you some videos over the time of having these passion twists here and there. So I will try my best to get a couple of those videos out for you guys, but let me know down below if you have any suggestions. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.